Hello, this is Joseph with Allied Air. We're currently looking at the line set joint sleeve kit that comes with our R454B rated coils. With this kit, we have a liquid line sleeve, a suction line sleeve, there's band clamps, there's screws, as well as suction line insulation tape. We're going to walk through the process of installing these, and it's important to note that any evaporator coil that is installed with R454B should have line set sleeves installed on them, capturing any of the initial joints. We do not want any extra exposed joints in the enclosed area of the coil and the furnace. Air handler units do not ship with line set sleeves, and they are not required in that installation application. To start off with the installation, we're going to be removing the shipping material. That includes also the rubber plug that's at the end of our evaporator coil. To help ourselves out, I already know that I'm using a 3/4 inch pipe going into this evaporator. For now, I'm just going to do a general fit up of it, but what I want to do is look at my band clamps as well as the dimensions on the back of the line set sleeve. In this case, we have a 3/4, a 7/8, and a 1 1/8. If your tube connecting in is matching to one of these, you'll just go through and cut this off. Be careful to not make any cuts going down, just right along the edge. Since I'm using a 3/4, this will just slide on, and I'm going to use the mid-size band clamp. So let's go ahead and slide that on. Take our boot, making sure that the front section with the little D form faces this way. We can go ahead and slide it on. So we want this slid on before we make our connections so that we can ensure that this is captured. I'm only going to have one joint that I'm looking at here. We do not want any additional joints outside of the line set sleeve. That helps us capture any of the potential refrigerant that could be around the joint in the future in case there's a leak, to send that back in and allow our refrigerant detection sensor to pick it back up. So we're going to go ahead and install this into the tube. If we're doing any brazing or putting any heat, along with keeping a wet rag on, we want to make sure that our sleeves are about 2 foot down the tube so we don't pick up any heat and worry about melting that. So after we've made the connection, whether it's brazed or press fit, and we've gone through and done our leak check, what we'll want to do is come in and use the provided insulation. We'll add it from the front of the cabinet back at least 7 inches. That's important because this section of the line set sleeve is roughly 7 inches, so we want to make sure any of the section that will be within the sleeve is insulated so we don't get sweat buildup. So as we go through, start at the front area, and we're going to wrap around and make sure it's tight on there because it still has to fit through the D window. All right, once we've covered roughly the 7 inches, give or take, we can just take the rest of this and tear it off. Make sure that we are getting a good tight on there. And then we'll take the line set sleeve, and if you look, there's a flat section here that's going to line up with the cabinet right here. There's also screw holes that we'll be using, so those will all need to align. And the sleeve just slides right over. Now, when we get to the coil and the cabinet, there's a small lip that needs to go inside. So with our line set sleeve attached into the coil, we'll use 2 of our provided screws and go ahead and put those. There's one that attaches up top here, and another that is directly underneath. It's a helpful note to go ahead and get at least one of these screws started and then the second one in. Sometimes if you get the top one too tight on there, it can bunch this section up. So get it started, get the next one in, work together, get those two in together. I've already got the band clamp installed, or the worm gear. And what we're going to do is set this to the lowest setting right there. Go ahead and get it all tight. For the suction line, we're going to be using about 25 inch-pounds to make sure that we are torqued down tight. And when we do the liquid line, it'll be roughly 20 inches of torque since it's a smaller line on there. And we're going to follow the same procedures. Prep our line, make sure we are good on the fit. Now this one will slide the same way. I have 2 worm gears left. Obviously we're not using all of them. The largest one's going to be too big, so I can go ahead and take the smaller one, get it prepped on the line set sleeve, slide that down the tube. Again, we want this about 2 feet away when we're putting heat on the joint. Get that ready. We're not using insulation tape on this one. We still have the flat section on the line set sleeve that will line up with the coil. So we're going to go ahead, and once we've made our connection here, slide everything up. Zooming in on this connection point, you can see where the little ridge is. That's what we're going to use to connect into the coil there. I want to make a note that with the line set sleeves, if you do have a section of your tubes that are at an angle or not straight in, the sleeves do have the ability to flex, so that can help us out in all of our different installation orientations. So what we'll do is go ahead and install this into the little window. Again, once you get started, you can just kind of walk it around and it follows right through. So now that's in. We want to make sure we've got this flat connected to this flat, and then there's a screw that will go into the top, as well as one that goes straight down on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get those in. Once this is connected, I'm going to get the worm gear on. And again, this only takes about 20 inch-pounds of force to torque it down, but make sure it's on there good and snug. So with both of the line set sleeves installed, we'll put the suction line Armaflex on. We want to cover over the worm gear as much as we can, all the way up the boot. Make sure it's tightly sealed so we don't get sweat buildup. All of our joints need to be captured underneath of them. If this tube is curved around, the line set sleeves can flex to cover that. We do not want additional joints in the area of the coil or the furnace that would be below it. If you have additional joints, then you will need to look into the installation instructions and follow any of the guidelines for second sensor potential needs there. Thank you.